right, so let me share with you one of my traders again, 100 plus pips. As you can see here, he made it 100 plus pips based on 100% based on the analysis which I broadcasted here. You can see here 100. Hello traders, today was another winning day. Most of my traders bank again 100 plus pips. Let me share with you guys how I helped them through live intraday analysis to squeeze amazing profit. As always, if you would like to see all that analysis in real time, most welcome. Join my fast growing trader community. Let's dig into the system and let me share with you guys how I manage amazing profit today. As always, if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's dig into the three major currency pair, Euro USD, Pound Dollar, and the Dollar CAD. If you look at the Euro USD guys, and if you look at the 4-hour chart, this morning the price was at the major resistance level. We had such a nice beautiful breakout. We have bank amazing profit short trade here. As soon as the price hit to the major support level, we bank amazing profit. We'll see tomorrow if the price gonna break, continuation, otherwise possibility of counter long trade. We'll let you know tomorrow, but let me share with you guys today we had an amazing trade, amazing. All right, so as you can see here from yesterday, we've been short on from here on Euro USD. So this morning that was a pretty straightforward, beautiful breakout based on the analysis. And after the breakout, as you can see here, beautiful price broken and retest. They give us the confirmation. Beautiful short trade here and bank amazing profit as soon as the price hit to the major support level. After banking some profit, most of the traders were expecting counter, and that's what I explained. If the price gonna break at the New York session, then long. Otherwise, if the price gonna break, just keep taking a big. So buys were short, so we said to my trader, just keep taking a pullback. So we have this breakout pullback. Thus we have after the breakout, we have another pullback short trade here. Amazing profit on Euro USD. Pound dollar, beautiful trade guys. We have a both long and short, as you can see in 4-hour price respective. From yesterday we've been short. This morning when the price developed bearish engulfing candle, that was a beautiful short trade, bank amazing profit. And afterwards we had a beautiful reversal counter long trade, bank amazing profit. Let me share with you both short and long entries on pound dollar. All right, so if you look at this morning, that was the just before London Open, 7:36 with the live analysis. That was the beautiful breakout. I explained my trader after the breakout, just keep taking a pullback. And I also updated analysis. I say guys, look for another breakout, keep adding scaling trade when the price moving in your direction. So you can see here we have another analysis updated just to push my trader, because this is all emotional game and I want to help my trader emotionally. Guys, momentum is bearish, price develop bearish engulfing candle, so look for another pullback short trade breakout, another short trade here. As I just keep taking up pullbacks until the price gonna hit to the major support level, banking some profit at the New York session. Once the price hitting respected at the support level, that's what I explained. As long as the price stay above this level, that's why we give them part of the training. Just keep taking a pullback. Momentum was bullish, 1 2 3 pullback. I also updated that analysis to push my trader not to miss this opportunity, take another long trade here, and that's another updated analysis just to push my trader, as explained, all this level, because they were expecting possibility of short. I said no, just look for this pattern and let's, based on the momentum, look for another breakout long trade, bank amazing profit on Euro US pound dollar. Right, so dollar CAD pretty straightforward. We've been short from yesterday. We have amazing trade. If you haven't seen my yesterday analysis, video link is given in video description. We've been short from yesterday, even after the price breakout, retest, short trade here. This morning I explained my trader, just bank some profit and look for counter opportunity at this level. Or buys is long on dollar CAD. We'll see you tomorrow, but today we had amazing trade. That was a pretty standard. As you can see here, guess from yesterday we've been short, banking amazing profit. This morning after the banking some profit, price develop another falling wedge. That's the early sign of the reversal. As soon as the price broke on this level, I said to my trader, now we have a major support in 4-hour, so look for another beautiful breakout long trade here as soon as the price hit to the major resistance level. And that's what I explained my traders, time to enjoy some profit. So you can see here we had amazing trade on dollar CAD, and the New York session we had tried to avoid taking a trade on dollar CAD because of the news. As you can see here, price still in the upside channel. So you can see guys how we manage amazing trades through live intraday analysis in 4-hour and intraday system. Right, so let me share with you one of my traders again, 100 plus pips. As you can see here, he made it 100 plus pips based on 100% based on the analysis which I broadcasted here. You can see here 101 pips. As soon as he finishes century, he made it 96 pips, and I said, okay, come on, make it century, right? So he took a too long trade on dollar CAD. As soon as he finishes 100, he said, okay, job done, I'll see you tomorrow. I said, fantastic. We have a traders trading from different time zone. So this trade is only based on this London morning session. As you can see here, all of these trades are 100. Let's see, 32 pips, pound dollar. That was a pretty straightforward. As I mentioned you, that was a pretty straightforward breakout. And as you can see here, profit target hit, bank amazing profit. All right, guys, that's it for today. And I hope you enjoy all this analysis and results. If you would like to make this kind of pips every single day, most welcome. Join my fast growing trader community. Or if you are struggling in forex trading, this is a platform where you can develop your trading skill in real time through live intraday analysis. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description, so most welcome. One of my team member or myself will show you how to become a successful trader and get funded. So most welcome, guys. Have a nice evening. Until next time, all the best.